Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you our Pokemon Go hack tutorial. Basically I'll be explaining in this video how to hack Pokemon Go and get a Pokemon Go spoofing that everybody is doing. Our Pokemon Go hack works on iOS and Android, so you have it on all platforms and you can use the Pokemon Go hack anytime. Let me just show you guys some features. You can teleport to the Pokemons near you. You get a joystick feature over here. You get some settings over here as well, stuff like that. Teleporting, sniping, whatever not. And you have a few more options over here. IV list, auto walking, stuff like that. Pretty much you can teleport to anywhere in the map itself as well. And this is a very cool Pokemon Go hack, and it's very handy as for today's situation. So let me just show you guys how to download this Pokemon Go hack and spoof Pokemon Go. So what you need to do is open up Safari and go to injectapp.xyz. Make sure you visit this website, guys, and then on the top right you have Pokemon Go. So click on that and click on install. So basically once you're on this page, Pokemon Go Spoofer, click on get started, guys, and just wait out a little bit. Now what we have to do is just basically complete a quick verification that will take us less than 5 minutes. We just need to download 2 apps and run each app for 30 seconds and that should be it. So let's do that. I'm gonna begin with this app, and I'm gonna run this app for 30 seconds. And I'm also gonna show you guys how to complete them so you don't mess up or anything. Basically just run the apps for 30 seconds. You don't have to sign in, you don't have to interact with anything, just let them run for 30 seconds. You can even be more safe and run them for 40 seconds if you want. And that should be it. So I'm just gonna wait out a little bit. We're nearly done, so I'm just gonna keep waiting. Okay, I finished running this app for 30 seconds. I'm gonna go back to the website and download this app instead. So remember guys, we need to download 2 apps for the Pokemon Go hack to work correctly. This is the second app I'm gonna run. I just need 30 seconds again, and that should be it pretty much. So yeah, I'm gonna keep waiting out a little bit. Okay guys, we are nearly done pretty much. Think I finished running this app as well for 30 seconds. So yeah, just go back to the website when you finish running the apps and wait out for 30 to 60 seconds and you will have a link to the download, guys. And that's how you can use the Pokemon Go hack I just showed you over here. And it's very simple and it's very cool as well. It's very handy in today's situation if you want to spoof your location and keep growing your Pokemon Go account. This is one of the best tutorials for you guys. So yeah, if you enjoyed, make sure you like it and comment below. Also, you can subscribe to the channel, and that should be it pretty much for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to comment, and if you need any help, you can comment below as well and I will try to help you. So thank you guys for watching.